I'm poking my head inside of a covered raised bed that I've been nurturing since last fall. Let me show you what's happening inside. It's pretty cool. I planted a bunch of seeds for spinach and mixed salad greens last September. Let's take a look at what I discovered today, and it's the first week of March. All right, and it's been snowy. You can see there's snow piled up. Check this out, the beautiful crocus. More greens. These guys will get really big, maybe 18 inches. And there's another set of crocuses over in the back here. And these are really special flowers and greens. Today is my birthday, so I hope you're having a very special day. From Kodiak, Alaska, I'll see you again soon.